Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well, and this is the reading for Cancer for the month of July 2020, general and love reading. So I have already shuffled the cards and laid them out. On my left I have your cards, and on my right I have your person's card. And remember, it's a general reading, so it may not resonate with everyone. So take whatever resonates and rest leave. Cross watchers are also welcome here. But remember, energy can be vice versa. Okay, so let's start your reading and we will do the clarification wherever needed, right? So let's begin your reading. Let me give you a general overview of the cards. So what I'm feeling here is that Cancers, you are doing really well in your life. Okay, professionally, if you are a student, then in academics. Okay, but you are doing really good. What I'm feeling here is that in your recent past you have just received a good success in your professional life, and that success was independently on your own. Okay, and you are really feeling proud of that. You are really having a fortunate period in the recent past and in present too. Okay, so you are doing really good. And but what happens at present, that you have now stumbled upon a person. This person can be someone new, but at the bottom I have the 5 of diamonds, which is the card of reconciliation. So this person can be from your past. Okay, so for some it can be new, or for some it can be from your past. So you are really doing well, everything is going well, you're not really worrying about anything, but then you stumble upon this person. Okay, and maybe you guys have started a casual relationship. Okay, maybe an affair. What I'm feeling here is that financially also, Cancerians, most of you are really feeling financially supported, stable, and you are not really worried about your finances. Okay, so your professional life is going well, your finances are going well, but the only hitch which is here is this person. Okay, this new person, or can be from your past, and you are a bit confused because of this. Okay, that whether you need this relationship, this person, or not, because you're doing well, you have no need for going into some relationships, at least for now. So you're confused about this offer, maybe, or maybe about this person or connection, whether you want to move it forward or you want to end it. Or I don't think you are really feeling for this person. You are thinking logically, you are thinking practically, whether you want to take it forward or not. You are not still emotionally connected to this person. Okay, so let's move on to your person's feelings. What the person you have just met, this person has some issues in his or her past. Okay, and maybe there were some difficulties, some discontentment, some disappointment, and that's why they have just ended that relationship and they gave you this new offer. Okay, so but I don't think you are much interested in this person. Okay, but this person needs you. So this person ended their relationship because they were not happy there, they were not contented there, and they want to start this relationship with you, and so they have this offer for you, but you are not really into this person. And your person, I don't think that this person is also feeling for you. This is not, this is, something like a mind connection. It's not a soul connection or a heart connection or you're feeling for each other. No, this person is also thinking from his or her mind. They think that they will have a good future with you. So they think that you are the Jack of Diamonds and they will have a real good future with you. They think that you are a resourceful person. Okay, so I don't see a much of love here, but I'm seeing that this person is using his logics. Okay, they are playing mind game. They want you, maybe they need you, but for now they don't have any feelings or emotional connection to you. Okay, they are just giving you an offer because they see you someone very resourceful and someone who can support them, maybe in their work, in their family, okay, or financially, because you are doing so well. So this is what I'm feeling here. So let's move on to get some guidance from divine and universe over the situation in the life of Cancerians for the month of July 2020. So let's see. I don't think there is anything to worry about, Cancerians. This is the normal thing. Okay, we sometimes even after so much of disappointments, we sometimes start thinking logically. Okay, we don't want to think from our heart because many times we have failed in our relationships by taking decisions from our heart. So maybe this person is now taking a more logical and practical approach, what I'm feeling here, and they want to give you a genuine offer, okay, so that you can support each other, and maybe a marriage proposal for some. Okay, so but it's up to you. But currently and at now, none of you is really into some emotional connection with each other. What I'm feeling from here, it's just very practical proposals for you. So let's see the message of divine and universe for you, because I see that you are confused, and if you are confused, that means that you are not really thinking of accepting, but you don't want to reject it as well. So you're thinking about this person. Okay, so this is the Nine of Hearts, which is I think excessiveness, selfishness. Okay, so this is a message of divine that you should take care of before moving on to this proposal. You should check out about this person's nature. Okay, whether what sort of person is he or she. Is he self-oriented person and wants everything for himself, want things to be done in his way, her way? Okay, so because this can be the indication that there can be some difficulties. Okay, so I think this person does everything in excess, in love excess and in hatred excess. So it gets difficult to deal with these kind of people, because when they love you like heaven, and when they hate you like hell. So I think there is some sort of excessiveness which is seen here. So let's see, let's take out one another card. Okay, so the divine message is that Cancerians, you are the Empress. Okay, you are wiser enough to decide whether you want to deal with this person or not. Okay, you have all the wisdom needed to deal with this person. So don't feel like you can't take any decision. You can take decision. You have all potential. You are wiser. You have wisdom. You have courage. You are intelligent. You are ambitious. Everything. Okay, so you are the Empress. So you will decide. Okay, so this is a message of divine for you, Cancerians. and we will end the reading here. I hope you enjoyed your reading and taken the needed messages from the divine and universe. Okay, so till the next video, guys, enjoy, have fun, take care, God bless you, love you, thanks for watching.